Hello sisters, today I just dared to try this makeup that Liu Yifei got up early. True? Yes, it is very beautiful and flexible. We are going to try it together today. Before makeup, we will use the medium bubble essence. Summer makeup is still very simple. If you want the base makeup today, it's a quick streamlining. Just use K pieces directly. This powder because it's actually a solid powder. As for the base liquid, you can use it directly as the base makeup, and it is available in summer now. It can be directly matched. Use sunscreen or plain cream. And it uses the same Italian powder process as the international big brands. This powder is super invincible and delicate. So you see, even if you drag your makeup on, he doesn't feel like a pile of powder either. It's just really silky. And the outerwear of Q itself is male. Is it a cooperative brand of Dress Week? There is nothing to say in the product. You can apply the whole base makeup in 3 or 2 strokes. Sisters, take a look at this concealer. What kind of dark circles do you look like? Places with uneven skin tone can be covered, but I think its concentration is good. I'll take a closer look. Is there any card powder in this thick place? And I think this color is more natural. Look at my face, the skin looks much better. And it's not that there is that fake white feeling. It's a little dark yellow here. Turn this side up. It's still too convenient for me to use this powder as a base makeup. It directly saves the setting step. And look at this makeup. It's this plush like peach. It's like adding that filter with nothing. This face looks so smooth. The skin looks fine. And is he the size of a palm? It is also very convenient for you to take out to touch up your makeup. Then go and draw this eyebrow first. Just such a short, fluffy feeling. Then the words here are still delicious grooming colors. It will fill in the empty color. Use this dark brown back eyebrow pencil. Shape this eyebrow. Bring out the wall. Draw the eyebrow peak here. We will use a piece of naked apricot for eye makeup first. Color the eyelids. Then the end of the eye goes up. Give it a little more structure. The second half. You can deepen it a little bit here. Let's choose another gray-brown one. Then, like a kind of emphasize again this basic. After curling this eyelash curler, let's make it up first. Use eyeliner to make up the first half first. When you boil to the end of the eyeball, find him a bottle and pull it out. I'm a little uneasy right now. I'll paste the eyelashes first to save it. Check out this eyeliner. I posted one so short, distinct false eyelashes. I feel like my eye shape has been raised. You see. Necklines. And then we remove the lower mole here. I'll take a peek with a red glue pen first. Aegyo saliva is that narrow feeling. Light up this aegyo saliva. Next time, there will be a dark color here. Just smudge this a little bit. There's a little concave taste on it. I still brush the lower eyelashes habitually. The feeling of the short head should be... Let me show you this VC eye makeup. Still thick, still thick. Come and fix your face after makeup. Now it really looks like a big white pie. If you frown here, we will draw one. Draw an inverted 8 here on the bridge of the nose. Flip here. Clear this area. Do you want to fix the corner of the forehead a little bit? I always want to sweep it slowly on the brush. If the face is on the side, it will be repaired. To emphasize, just be considerate. Fold a little bit of heavy pearlescent. Let's breathe a little bit with this makeup. The human outfit needs to be shortened for him. Use your fingers to feign it, otherwise it's a little strange. Bite your lip. Then we'll do a little bit of blush. Choose a peach color. Apply a lip glaze. Make a base. I'll take a screenshot. My face is still a little swollen. I just put my head here now.